Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Doge has formed a possible 5-wave move up from the Monday low like many coins. We already see good movements here and there, not necessarily on the Doge chart. I mean, Doge also tries to stretch higher. So we might have started the third wave already. It's similar to what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin's chart looks a little bit more bullish in the short term than, for example, here what Doge is doing, because Doge hasn't even really broken above initial resistance. The initial resistance level here is defined between 9.9 cents and 10.6 cents. We have a 5-wave move up in what I've labeled as a possible wave 1. And then here, this would be a wave 2 corrective pullback. Might have unfolded as a so-called running flat structure. And based on that, the third wave could already have started. The idea was that we could have formed these 5 waves. A few days ago already I shared the support zone here, maybe a couple of days ago, between 8.5 cents and 9.3 cents. And my view is that as long as we're holding the 8.5 cent level, it is plausible that we are in a third wave corrective rally. No, in a third wave rally. So it is possible wave 2 was just shallow. That's possible. It is too stretched out for an internal fourth wave or something. So I see it as a 1-2 pattern. If this really is an overshooting B wave, then this is quite bullish. But for further confirmation that we are indeed moving up, I'd really like to see a break out to the upside. Not only a break above the last high, that was at 10.3 cents. That's precisely where we are now. I would actually like to see a break above the first resistance. And this is here the 50% retracement measured from the top of that swing high, which developed on the 27th of July, and the low that was formed on Monday. So this is let's say a decline that we can use to draw some fibs. And internally, we would say, look, this could be a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside, a wave 3 to the downside, and we know that a wave 4 normally shouldn't break the 50% retracement. Therefore, this is the initial resistance. Doesn't mean it has to make another low, but it means that as long as we stay below it, I can't really confirm the white count is unfolding. It would be, let's say a break above it would be a good trend reversal signal to the upside. That's not necessarily the best price to buy here. That would be, let's say, in support, or close to support. The lower the better. Sometimes we don't get deep pullbacks. Well, it is what it is, That's why sometimes it can be wise to add positions just above the support area. But yeah, in this case, it would be a shallow wave 2. But again, wave 2s can be shallow, especially if the B wave did overshoot, because you have an initial A wave down. Initial A wave down. Then a B wave to the upside, and the C wave usually has the same length as the A wave. Okay, the C wave can be a little bit longer, but don't be surprised if the C wave ends above A if the B wave overshoots. So bottom line is, a third wave could have started. What would be the invalidation point? The invalidation point is the last swing low at 9.3 cents, and below that level, the 8.4 cent level will be crucial. And if we are really in a third wave, the 1.38 extension, which I usually call the first ideal target for, a third wave, it's the 1.38 extension, 13 cents. And then ideally, we could even go a bit higher, but that's, if we don't even get there, I don't have a clear third wave. So I'm watching for the price to possibly get there. Then we can watch for a fourth wave corrective pullback and a fifth wave to the upside that would wrap it all up as a larger 5-wave move. And then again, it starts again, then we can take it from there. And then we have a larger 5-wave move. This again could be called maybe a wave 1. Then we can add the next support zone for a corrective pullback, which we would then, call a wave 2 support and so on. And then a third wave rally could occur from there. This is how it builds. This basically is really too small, for a really good reversal signal. But the first reversal signal was this initial rally in 5 waves. Then obviously the fact that it seems to hold a higher low, And the next one would be a break above that 10.6 cent level. No? This would be crucial. It's the first initial resistance. Yeah, so let me take the lines off. But that's basically it. That's basically my take here on the Doge chart at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.